Welcome. Let's walk through how to register for your ACIS tour. Start by clicking the registration link provided by your group leader, or go to acis.com and select Register. Enter your group leader's last name and group ID. If you're new, create an account with your email and a password. If you already have an account, just log in. Next, fill in your personal details, including your full legal name, date of birth, and contact information. Be sure everything matches your travel documents. You're automatically enrolled in our basic protection plan, but many travelers choose to upgrade for added peace of mind. If you upgrade and select an automatic payment plan, you'll also receive a $100 discount off your total program cost. Enter your payment details and choose the plan that works best for you. Payments are safe, secure, and flexible. If you're a participant under 21, you'll need a signature from a legal parent or guardian. Once you've finished, you'll see a confirmation screen, and you'll also receive an email with all your details and next steps. We hope you're excited for your trip because at ACIS we know that travel changes lives.